You might have seen recipes for baked oats popping up recently. Well, here's our version. Start by peeling 4 ripe bananas and placing them in a large bowl. Mash them up with a fork or a potato masher, then add 1/3 of a cup or 80 grams of peanut butter, 1 1/4 cups or 300 grams of almond or other non-dairy milk, and vanilla extract. You could also use regular milk, we just decided to make this version vegan. Also, if you like it sweeter, you could add a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Mix everything together, then add 3 cups or 270 grams of rolled oats, followed by 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Once everything is combined, it will be a thick batter. Add 3/4 of a cup or 140 grams of frozen blueberries, then stir until just combined. Transfer to a lightly greased 8x8 inch or 20 centimeter baking dish and spread it out evenly. Top with more frozen or fresh blueberries, followed by a few pinches of cinnamon, and bake at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 30 minutes. If you like things on the sweeter side, I definitely recommend adding some honey or maple syrup to this. But as someone who doesn't have much of a sweet tooth, this was perfect. Subscribe to Dished for more viral recipes.